Wagwan ENT.
Alright now, them man around the Far East, as a matter of fact, they run anyone to go. Mighty Crown fans, one of them! Raise the hand now! Mighty Crown!
Wow! Good night, London. Are you ready for this bomber-clad Japanese?
Yo, this is Tana Teams alongside Mighty Crown. And what we say? The masses them said I'm tired to hear the same thing I know about along. So Mighty Crown and the eye are doing some different type of sound. Got some song boy that I run, but I'm a trio with yours. So listen to all of them from all of us. Some blood clot sound, I got dead tonight. And fire burn the pussy, them real. They take the eye, they come here today. But Mighty Crown, I send them woman out of here. They cook for them, and let you in a box. They forget them box straight. Know them flop a boom like them set one spring. Tell the pussy them fi muscle up, but no one fi bust. No, we have enough a pure dubplate. We have fling came out a dope in a stash, yeah. You know what Mighty Crown I take the flash, yeah.
Well, Simon, dig up yourself, Sammy, dig up yourself. Kick it, no man.
What do you like on them there?
Mighty Crown.
What do you like on them there? I'll believe in God. I'll say Mighty Crown. Hand here, or lighter. If you are work with the devil, put your hand on your side.
When I run, police.
Fires rolling there,
and this is how we burn them.
what do you say?
Put the water down. Na, yeah.
Fire!
Yeah, first man. Na.
We there!
Mighty Crown and the
Time to kill Simon and man called Ninja.
I'll see Mighty Crown 2 under here! 2 under here! Fire Golan! Wayne Wallen! Look! Me hear the macaroni boy play TOK. Yo, Mr. Mentally Mashy boy. When Mighty Crown play TOK UK Cup, me no play them regular way, you know. You know, say Mighty Crown a irregular sound. Wanna want me kill that true right now? Say yes! Say yes!
Tonight in a London, who was man is not Tony Macaron. Yard man no give a fuck, but no Italian. Yes, and the city send them go back a same time.
Mighty Crown said they suck your mama black, yeah.
What? I'll see Mighty Crown take the first row. Say, go on, Mighty Crown. Go on, Mighty Crown.
Lightning, yeah, I take up now more life, more dry prosperity, more kill it up to this. Judgment in the land, a bomb clot, so hey, son boy. Judgment in the land, I take up. Mighty Crown sound, wanna jump and sound. Mighty Crown, champion sound. gunshots flow. Idiot sound boy must get killed and buried. Them lose the class.
UK. Oh, yeah. Mighty Crown. Feel it tough. Some of the hype of themselves, you don't never see the last. To them. Mighty Crown never there last year. Yeah. And everybody knows why. Yes, I did win the trophy last year. Cause Mighty Crown wasn't here. Tell King of these and we don't fear. Love injection and immortal shouldn't be here. Black cat we don't want no pussy here. No, the Japanese return. Mighty Crown come for kill them crew. Mighty Crown.
It's a blazing fire.
Warm you a warm.
Prolific, alright.
All the Mighty Crown. The one that you put it down.
Mighty Crown never fail, I know where.
Hold on.
This is a column. Big up yourself. State of Simon. Whoa.
All the things don't just start with. Start with. Start with. All the fire you get the start with.
Idiot sound, bye bye. Beat up. Sound test on the diamond. Hey!
Shout their return!
You know?
Yeah!
Ooh. You better run, we gonna kill your sound.
Hold on!
Mighty Crown keep killing them all.
Don't them all!
Mighty Crown keep killing them all.
Don't them
Mighty Crown keep places strong. Ooh yeah, yeah. Mighty Crown lock them down, so get to see.
Six-year-old baby. A big man like you, papa, you're gonna put 9 for a little old lady. A big man like you, rob a school. I go on like your man sick and crazy. Mighty Crown hold you, no if, none about no right. Yo, sing out. Or maybe, just the man.
All who come to hear some big tune. 2-1 in arena, no bias thing. This is UK Cup Clash and the Mighty Crown always come to represent this in it. Yo, Sammy, are you ready for some introduction? Lego, intro.
So many idiots on man. One week for idiots on.
All who say Mighty Crown 2-1 in arena from now. No bias thing.
One Mighty Crown come for dough. Panther we come to give you your funeral. You are no general, matter are not dead with you. Because him chat too much like a slutty girl. A little dirty girl, Mighty Crown just kill you. Laugh at
Wallen! Every year Mighty Crown come. See me bust a new artist. Last year, me bust Taurus Riley. You see this year? Yo, watch out for the you called Dwayne Stevenson in her. Me no look for no forward in her. Mighty Crown. See? Next level thing. Yo, Lego!
Yeah, well, this is Dwayne Stevenson from August. I'm there, so Mighty Crown.
Dwayne Stevenson!
Well, we're not killing mood tonight, so we have nothing to
This one big shoe one Freddy.
A word from the wise, Freddy and Trooper can't make it on their own. Them always need Jaro to survive. Trooper's son was a son who was lost. Freddy's life was in dismay. Now Mr. Harper's son, them run come back home play. Yeah. Hypocrite and backbiting, Trooper's chosen way of life. This in Kilimanjaro was his delight. And all of the lies Trooper's spoken, they can never be replaced. Me can't believe round jar, I'm sure all in face. True for no matter which song that you play. Whether dead in the
All the rhythm is on fire. When I say mighty, you say crowd. Mighty, mighty. Yo, you see Ricky Chupa in full of shit. Ricky Chupa talk like shit. Ricky Chupa dress like shit. That's why in Japan we call her Ricky Poopa. This one's straight to Chupa head.
With fire and burn, you know. One time. Burn them.
No wrong with this enough. Ricky Chupa. Here we go.
Yeah, you run, gone left you whole song. Say you find something inside. Run, gone left you.
All who's the mighty crown leads the fire. Say you are lead. Blood clad trooper, you are feeling under your ass clad panty pussy.
Soundboy, wait a minute. Playing on a job play. Why can't you do this on your sound from day?
Don't run with the Japanese, okay? Alright now, hold on now. Let me give you some argument now. You see Panther, a while ago, say, he might kill me a blood clot Texas. Post say, well, you not even kill me, man. May I kill your pussy clot in here and prove that. You see right now, Panther. You talk about say, yeah, the war tanker and them blood clean. The tanker is going down. Let it go.
You talk say no sound clash, kill in a sound clash. Well tonight Mighty Crown I go kill you in this sound clash.
Listen now. Listen go.
Tonight Mighty Crown a flatten the tanker.
Pull up! The first round enough.
Big up man like Master.
Me know in a rush. Me know in a rush still enough.
Sanity, Koji, and Sticker.
What the war people them there?
We got to go through.
What the war people from England? All of it should be God.
And then we can take the blum blum ratatata blum.
Pull up! Me's a Japanese son who no one come take over the business or not. Me just want to be part of the fucking business. Straight. Dig? Dig? Yeah, dig. So big up One Love Sound, representing Italy. Radigan, England, represent Bobby Candace in New York. Jamaican or non-Jamaican, ain't no fucking matter. Saying, what are we want? Do. All who agree, 200 year go, sir. All who know, say, reggae music is a universal music. Go down here.
Let it loose for a big sound. Oh Lord.
Yo! Out the racist. Out of the reggae music. 200 here. Lighter. Lighter.
Love is the only solution.
Oh, no things are not. Yeah, we bring some people and do nothing up. Birmingham. London. One of you can kill me.
Nothing else more like 4 years.
Yo! Ready? Ready?
Make my decision.
Long time you don't hear them sound. Shooting the dance.
Like the decision on the back of my face. The clip of some boy.
Fire! Stop it! Ready?
Here I am.
Let's go! Yo, stop it!
Big that man like Sanity, Simon, Posey, oh, yes. Many did try but could not pass the mighty crown. Many did try but Simon threw them down.
Some a fool went to the bank, withdraw all his monies, yeah. Thinking that
You know that the trophy belongs to mine.
way, yeah. Mighty Crown just play, just have the word and
Why tell them fool ya? Macaron, you can't manage your vocal room. Immortal.
Son boy, don't put your hand where you get reaching. It make no sense.
Oh, you can't manage this road ya.
The Lord is our light and our salvation.
Yo, big up love injection. Wanna play a Morgan Heritage. See it? But when Mighty Crown play Morgan Heritage the UK Cup, me no play no regular Morgan Heritage, you know. You want him some irregular tune 219 here, go sir.
Yes, Rasta. Gideon, you know it's all about the rockers moment. Yo.
You want me done them now? Send them back to New York, Addy.
Yes. I don't know why King Addies left New York. I don't know why Bessadis left St. Ann. Black Cat come all the way from Manchester. And Ricky Trooper don't run out so many in Atlanta. The Japanese them are going the
Hold up! And I like them talk.
whoa, why? Mighty ground.
Yo!
Somebody, yeah. Shut in the valley and I never ever quit.
Nobody have no creativity. Saying come a UK Cup, play pure regular tune. You know some Mighty Crown cut tune different, you know? See, everybody pay them big money, no creativity. What that man bumbo clad? Bumbo ras clad. Suck your mama pussy clad. Watch your Mighty Crown play sound now, you know? Some boy play Bujo Bantan and play drive of the bumbo clad regular way. Oh, what is man? Sammy, show them say we have creativity.
Well, Sammy, well, Simon, we never there last year, but I want your car and stop going to Stratford Rex me. Don't give it to nobody. Walk past the gate, boy, and bust past like the dance hall. You hear me, sir? Not at the top. I will call some of them over at Bricks and come watch me back. London, the Japanese come back. I know we take the coast of war.
Come again.
Well,
Come
Simon,
again.
well, Simon.
Come again.
But I want your car and stop going to Stratford Rex me. Don't give it to nobody.
Them better than me.
Yeah, boy, I'm bust past like the dance hall.
All who see Mighty Crown go on, but 200 in here. 200 here.
I'll come and them over at Bricks and come watch me back. London, the Japanese come back. I know we take the coast of boy Snapchat. London, a murder world clash. Watching Mighty Crown way and them rush. After on you used to play Addis on the boy stop. Tonight I have the host, make sure you know bias. Tell you one base and this is bring the trophy back. Mighty Crown never did this, so they win the road clash. True pass it in retire, but I chat the boy a chat. Let Jamaica and come dead in a UK clash. Panda a pussy we no real black cat. Samurai boss so that
Yeah, what on? All who say them feel lock off, say lock off.
They need that sound.
Chupa.
They need that sound.
Tell Chupa running us.
They need that sound.
Tell them this.
Turn up, they need that sound.
Hey, Mighty God,
Listen.
if a boy think them bad like a flame, they line up them chest. Tell them mighty.
Blood clot man. A Mighty Crown and a bad man town.
Ninja blood clot man.
Go around. Man around to the
Super.
But the dog round me best me say. You to the day before you read this letter and a Mighty Crown on me man.
Fuck with a blood clot mama. All who see them dead. Say dead.
Run it up.
Ready?
Gonna Mighty Crown international.
Yo.
All
All the people from Kingston. All the people from the ghetto. This one beer. Tell them pussies.
Boy, I tell you about that. On wanna fuck with my crown and pulling a whopper.
Me I go mash them down. Furthermore, oh God man, feel sorry for your blood clot. Straight. As a matter of fact, you know say, the dance is between Tony and me, you see clearly. And maybe Panther I think get a bigger forward than Ricky Pooper. Chupa! From the blood clot Jaro, everything going down. And Panther too. Blood clot follower of Panther and fucking Chupa, man. They're coming like brothers going on. Let it go. You know why?
Well, I want who's she? I want to have a female. I want a she-male. Bumbuckler. What they gonna do? Pussy clad warrior.
You think Chupa and blood clot Panther? What did we tell them, boy?
Check this. Nobody's calling your name.
You want to kill Mataran? You want to kill Chupa? Alright, as a matter of fact, I kill all of them right now. Everybody, all of them streets on them. Clap them. Everybody clap them.
Mataran a go flap, 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 flap. Black cat them a go flap, 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 flap. Radical them a go flap, 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 flap. Chupa him a go flap, 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 flap. Yo, 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 yo. Chanda Pan, mighty crown, putting sound down, all over town. I'm dirty. Some Mataran a go flap, 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 black.
Hold on! When I say Mataran, you say dead. Mataran, Mataran. When I say Chupa, you say dead. Chupa, Chupa. You see this trophy? Me I live it in England and I'm a gal yard. See it? This now leave England, you know. See it? Yo, the biggest show right now, check it out, is Pondy River, Pondy Bank. See it? No biasing, see it? Mataran play that. But you see Mighty Crown owner the wickedest and big man like Mataran, you know. See, go around to the artist and don't voice no tune for Mighty Crown. How can a big selector like you do that? See, me know the truth enough. The truth that will hurt you, pussy. Mr. Tony Macaroni boy.
Yep. Good to gone. Yo,
wickedest tune.
Come from jump and good to dead. Yo, Tony Mataran, me see you black eye. Yo, Panther, you don't belong in this. Yo, Radigan, you ready for dead again? Yo, come and take the cup and go home, yeah, man. Shank man, uncle.
Listen.
Yo, London, England, Shizzle and Nizzle. Yo, we had just kill everything and done. This is fucking Mighty Crown. Radigan lose UK Cup before. And Panther don't belong in this. Wicked Chupa, you color go ball. Mataran, I'm what in this. London, Radigan, Delhi, nine tight pants. Run left England, can't go live France. Mataran, take promoter advance. And now no visa fi play a people dance, yeah. Down a killer, from Japan, na England, yeah. Down a killer.
Hold on. Don't pull up here. Don't pull up. You want to hear it again? I don't want to hear it too. Say yo.
Love your Mighty Crown from jump and good to dead. Yo,
alright.
Mataran, me see you black eye.
Don't pull up the tune, okay?
You don't belong in this. Yo, Radigan, you ready for dead again? Yo, come and take the cup and go home, yeah, man. Shank man, uncle. Yo, London, England, Shizzle and Nizzle. Yo, we had just everything and done. This is fucking Mighty Crown. Radigan lose UK Cup before. Panther don't belong in this. Wicked Chupa, you color go ball. Mataran, I'm what dead in this. London, Radigan, dead in him tight pants. Run left England, can't go live France. Mataran, take promoter advance. And now no visa fi play a people dance. Yeah. Wicked Chupa, you are run off the boat. Without Jaro, your teeth get kick out. Go a work class, boy, you get signed. The motor boy, you get the company change their mind. Yeah. Right.
One buckler. Yo. Now tell him, Mikey Mighty Crown, the most talented sound in the world.
You boys squingy, go fix rotten teeth.
England!
You boys squingy, go fix rotten teeth. You boy Panther, run go purchase your reeds. You boy Panther, run go purchase your reeds.
I'll represent England to one year, gossip. I'll represent Jamaica to one year, gossip. I'll represent your country to one year. You know, say Mighty Crown a bad man sound, pure bad man in here. This one's straight for you.
Mighty Crown, hell broke loose again.
What a bad man there from London? Hackney, all dead. You're vermin and nothing else.
Bad man play, just play.
Hold on!
On to that. Mighty Crown, live from Cassava Peace, Cuba. Gangster representative, Mighty Crown. I don't say them no one, dumping on your.
Hold on! Wait till later.
Let it go!
It's Mighty Crown and Mr. Evil. We're evil that
Matter, I'm gonna kill you too.
every sound boys like.
If you take side, I'm gonna kill you too.
Yo, UK, we tell them Mighty Crown got bullet for them. The one king of these, we a go bury them. Yeah, them fin know say we not beg no friend. Sammy and Simon came to make ghosts. Yep, let's start with the host. Tony Metaron, don't be biased. If you are, that means you buy ass. Get it? That means you buy ass. Whoa, that means you tried ass. Gunshots for any man that fuck ass. Bullet, no questions asked. Baby face. First your name was Babyface, cause we heard you like to taste. Now your name is Lion Face, cause you make girls lie on your face. Get it? Lie on your face. Get it? Lie on your face.
All of the Mighty Crown, two and
Protect I and I, Mighty Crown, the clash is mine. You know them bad mind from ever since. Everybody know them want to kill you for you.
I ain't leaving the venue yet. Somebody go on.
Mighty Crown never lie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Japanese never lie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mighty Crown never lie. Never lie. Mighty Crown never lie.
Yo! Bobada! Hold on! When I say mighty, you say trophy. Mighty! Mighty!
The trophy is mine, yeah, yeah, yeah. The trophy is mine, yeah, yeah, yeah. The trophy is mine, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Fire!
Yeah, yeah. The trophy is mine.
Yo! Bobada! Next time we are sending.
Bring them in a cemetery, make them be a misery.
We in one house! All who want to hear some big tune, say big tune! Big tune!
Yes, I did see go.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, yeah.
Fire!
Super.
Yeah, yeah. King of disco. Black cat go.
Yo!
Yes, I did see go.
Now tell them!
King of disco.
Lion show!
Bring them in a cemetery.
Hold up! No creativity, me alone! I'm gonna play one of the wickedest K-Butter right now.
I've sounded in London tonight. This Mighty Crown and now they lose their life. Don't try to fuss and I say don't try fight. Mighty Crown is the sound gone away tonight. Mighty Crown, Karachi kick, Karachi kick. Oh, them sound boy I wanna let them slip in. Karachi kick, Karachi kick. Oh, they come on and I wanna let them slip in. Karachi box, Karachi box. I got time to tell you say the whole I wanna flat in. Karachi box. Oh yeah! Let me find out them I pull up. Mataran, please sort your mother from you lose your visa, you are not the same. Wow! Contact your sinner freely, freely, don't a pick a deal it on a party man lane. Wow! So tonight in a London city, we don't have no city, gunshot to them brain. Yo! UK don't fight the feeling.
What we call Mataran and Tony.
Well, I get
Panther.
them not get no
know when Mighty Crown come at 4th round, Mighty Crown get wicked. We are the only soul who bring the international flavor in a big blood clash. Yeah? An international sound this. Sammy, listen, England. Everybody afraid of this run. Yo, listen. What the ladies say? What the bad man there from England? They are turn over the dance.
Somebody just don't get it.
Yo, don't run for the Japanese enough.
Yeah, it's Akon, the illegal alien, man. You know how I do convict music all day, the West Side, African music.
Who is this?
Alongside with Mighty Crown, you already know how we do, man. The East, Far East ruler.
Akon and sister.
All sound boys will fall down. Listen to me, man. Only one man can wear the crown.
Yo!
That's Mighty Crown. And I'm on the side of it. Yeah? Let's go.
We alone play the international show.
Cause it's convict music. Convict music. Killing some boys is the motive. That's what Mighty Crown will do. This clashing ain't getting no better. No matter how far they go, the sound is flopping with no reputation. Do you know what you're facing? Cause if they try and stop me, they will get shot up. No way out. They have no way out. They get shot up.
On the thing, say that. You are the bad man sister. Warrior sound from Japan. All the companies sound there. Go down here.
Come and talk about it, them not apologize to nobody, boy, son, boy, them go home and them go up, it's right. It's them about this, Mighty Crown, them they know them and go sky, wow. Mighty Crown don't apologize and come back.
Every year me come a UK Cup. See? Me play extra good. See? Me always make it in the final. Time to get some blood clot trophy. Sammy, play from top. Cause this is gonna be the wickedest show for UK Cup tonight.
Yeah, this shit like Akon. And you know this convict music. Like I did.
What's up, man? Everybody start with him. Start with him.
Mighty Crown remind me of quits.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to tear this motherfucker up. LeJohn, Mighty fucking Crown. We don't give a fuck.
Japanese this, you know. See? Grow up in fucking New York. Lego Sammy.
Yo, there's Ja Rule, giving a shout out to the Mighty Crown. One rule, rulers in the far.
Yo! England! Me a turn over the dance. Me a turn over the dance.
I got 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York.
Yo!
Hey, what's up? This is 50 Cent. And you're now tuned in to Mighty Crown. It's going down.
I'll see Mighty Crown from you.
Yeah.
Stay with him.
Yeah. Many sound. Wish that on the ground.
One more. I'll see Mighty Crown one. But say, go down here. Boy, me take this run. And you can't get rid of me squidgy. Your mouth too stink of blood clot. You know, them gonna come talk about say, yo, 50 Cent, you know, voice the you, them a Jamaican red. Yeah, man, my voice everything. And when it comes to reggae music, this money, I'm 50 Cent. Lego.
No, read this. Yeah, hear me? This is not a combination, it's an inspiration. The Dan Gargan and the Gargamel. So when we are here, it's a musical example of sound on the trample. Run down and play sound. Dan Gargan, you don't know. Man don't like sound. Let me tell them something. That's a song where I'm going to play 90 pounds. I think they guys working.
What?
Oh, we do time again. See a jump and cry. And I can tell you by the way comes from them are dead tonight. And I can tell you by the rubber of my sound is playing.
England, all already, German and Bujumalta, we exalted!
I the ground serious, we got to feel sound tonight.
Let me tell you this blood clot. See it? Me's a Japanese, you know. It's not as easy as you think for a Japanese to stay in the business. But me don't need no sympathy if you win tune, you know. See it? I love music. 2 on a year. I no bias, racist. 2 on a year. Yo, final tune for the first round.
Well, this is the living legend.
You know who this?
With the mighty crown.
This is the living legend. Jimmy Cliff.
Super G.
Yo. Lighter.
Man, the sun boy will fall. But what mighty crown.
Win.
What is some mighty crown? Give me some signal, do anything you want to. Give me some good finger, anything. Up there, so what is some mighty crown?
Wagwan ENT.